In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to master client management with Clickup. Managing clients effectively is crucial for any business, and with Clickup you have a comprehensive tool at your disposal to help streamline this process. Let's dive into how you can set up client management in Clickup. First, you'll want to head over to Clickup's website. You can access it directly by opening your preferred web browser and simply typing clickup.com into the address bar. Once the homepage loads, look towards the top right hand corner of the page and click on the Login button. This brings up the login interface where you have an option to sign in using various platforms. For this tutorial, we'll use Google. Clicking sign in with Google will prompt you to select your account from a list, so make sure you choose the right one, especially if you manage multiple accounts. Once you're logged in and inside ClickUp, look to the left side of your screen for the three vertical dots. Clicking here unveils more options. Now select templates from this list. Templates are incredibly handy as they allow for a starting point in setting up structured workflows. Click on Browse Templates to see the catalog that ClickUp offers. You'll notice a search bar at the top. Type client into this bar to pull up all the relevant client management templates available. Scan through the options and choose the template that aligns with your needs. To illustrate, let's pick the legal client management template. After selecting it, go ahead and click on Use Template. You'll then have the chance to rename this template to something more suitable for your organization. Thoughtfully naming your files and projects can greatly improve navigation and accessibility later on. Once renamed, click Use Template again to officially bring it into your workspace. You have the opportunity to modify the template based on your specific requirements. Tailor the various elements, sections, or data points according to what makes the most sense for managing your clients efficiently. This customization aspect means that the template evolves as your clientele and business needs change. By following these steps, you're well on your way to mastering client management with ClickUp. Remember, the ease and organization it brings can significantly enhance your productivity and the level of service you provide to clients. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you leverage ClickUp's client management tools to their fullest potential. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.